catch you up if you are just joining this series, I drove out to Kentucky to see my mom, and now I'm heading back to Arizona, camping along the way. No owls this morning. Just a garbage truck and a rooster. Alright, it is 6:45 in the morning. The gates at White Sands opens at 7, but the visitor center doesn't open till 9. And I don't think I want to spend 2 hours there. We're gonna dilly-dally for a little bit, and that is make coffee. I'm actually gonna bust out an espresso maker. I did bring it this whole trip. I mostly just wanted to use it at my mom's house, and I have been. Not so much in the car, because then I have to use 2 devices, because you know I do Americanos, so I have to have hot water and the espresso. But this is our last day. I feel like having a really good cuppa, so I think I have that many pods left. I think I brought 20 something. Anyway, so that's how much coffee I drank at my mom's house. Do it up this morning, and while it's brewing, I'm gonna get dressed. And it's also, again, I have like 3 options for breakfast. I could make the boiled egg and cheese, boiled eggs I got at Buc-ee's, and cheese tortilla wrap griddled, but that means busting out the kitchen, putting it together, blah blah blah. 2, oatmeal, a little easier. I'm gonna have water going already. I have still freeze-dried bananas, and as I discovered yesterday, I have walnuts over in the little spice jars. Could be fast, also clean up. So I'm doing the easy button and having my last protein bar in the lottery, which is, oh, I have this raspberry chia jam too. That'd be good in the oatmeal. I'm gonna have a chocolate sea salt coupon. All right, I'm gonna get this going and get dressed and check back. All right. Why are farty sounds always so funny? Is it just because I'm childish? I do like about this method is that it's much more passive, unlike pour over, where I have to constantly, monitor it and keep topping it off. I can generally let this just go. Where'd I put my spoon? Probably basket everywhere. The basket's getting pretty cluttered by now. I've done my best to try and minimize the clutter on this trip, because this is now the 6th night I've slept in here, I think. Not in a row, but nearly. And yeah, that is definitely key, to just kind of put everything back as you go in the same place. It's been an adventure, that's for sure. Hopefully it's better than yesterday's, which was like throwing a scoop of whey protein right in your mouth. Looks moister. It has almost like a liquor taste to it, like alcohol. I mean, I don't mind it, but it's a little weird first thing in the morning. Come on. This way. Look, there's a kitty. Do not chase the kitty. We don't do that. Oh, there's the other one. You can look. That is it. All right, took Gunther for a walk to dump our trash and observe the kitties. And I had some firewood left over. I tried to give them to another camper, but they are full up too, so I just left them at the site. Anyhow, let's go to White Sands National Park. I don't think I'm supposed to film there, so maybe I'll take some pretty pictures for you all. And stop at Starbucks on the way. All right, pal? Yeah. I didn't get you anything. It's not my fault you didn't eat breakfast. Alright, so the visitor center isn't open yet, so we will try and get that on the way out. So far, of the 3 national parks I visited on this trip, 2 out of 3, no Park Ranger badge for Gunther. So this is our last shot. And I think at this point I probably got to stop filming. Catch you on the flip side. If you are not aware, commercial filming in national parks requires a permit. Is this commercial filming? I do earn ad revenue, but I'm not making a film about the park with an intent to sell it. I don't have a crew, it's just me and Gunther and an iPhone or a GoPro. I kind of feel like it's a gray area, and for that reason, some of the earlier episodes in the series do include a little of our visits to national parks. But for some reason, other creators have been especially cautious about filming in this park, so I am taking my cue from them. Since I'm not monetized on Instagram, I did take some vertical video for a reel, which I will release soon. Filming because we are in traffic. Stop and go, and the dipstick behind me in the white Nissan will not stop crawling up my bumper. So if he rear ends me, I just want to say it's not my fault. Ready? All right, get in there. Come on. What's that? What's that? Hi. Hi. Are you a picture kitty? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Did you think I was never coming back? Oh my goodness. Yeah. You guys so happy to see each other. Getting there. All right, 10 minutes. Let's check these nudes. Done. A little soupy though. That's on me.